Valentina is as long as 3 square pillows. But these pillows are different. You need just 2 of these pillows to equal the same length as Valentina. Whoa, Valentina is as long as a lot of square magnets stuck together. You can pause the video to count all the squares. Now we used circle plates to measure Valentina. You can pause the video here to count how many plates we needed to make a row as long as Valentina. Why do we need so many of some objects and so few of others? Like, we only needed 2 or 3 pillows, but we needed a lot of square magnets and kind of a lot of plates too. Why? This one's a little bit tricky. See if you can count how many blocks we used to measure her. What materials could you use to measure how long you are?